Here's a story: a farmer and his quarreling sons. At first points, a farmer had quarreling sons, thought of a plan, asked the sons to break a bundle of sticks. Each failed, the bundle untied, sticks easily broken. Lesson. From this point, we will build the story. At first, we shall write the title of the story: A Farmer and His Quarreling Sons. Once there was an old farmer. He had 4 sons who used to quarrel among themselves. There was no unity among his sons, so there was no peace in the family. The farmer was very unhappy. One day he thought of a plan to teach them the value of unity. So he called his sons and gave them a bundle of sticks. He asked them to break the bundle of sticks. All of them tried hard, but none of them was able to break it. Then the old farmer untied the bundle and gave a single stick to each of the sons. The farmer asked them to break the sticks one by one. This time each of them broke the sticks very easily. Now the farmer said to his sons, "You could not break the bundle of sticks because the sticks were together. In the same way, none can harm you if you are united like the bundle of the sticks." The sons learned a great lesson, and from then they remained united. At last, we shall provide a moral: unity is strength. Hope you understand. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thanks for watching.